Welcome back to our Facebook page, guys. Draw the petals by following these simple steps. The petals are inflated in shape. Make green colored leaves emerging from within. Draw a oval shape in this position. Make face of the hen, adjoin the lower curve and then draw her legs. Now simply color it. Draw a circle for drawing face of a snail. Make additional circles like this. Now draw leaves emerging from it. Make sure to draw big leaves. The sleep of the snail should not be disturbed. Make a covering near him and decorate it. This snail is having a better sleep than me, indeed. Draw a circle and pattern like this on sheet. The bud of the flower is closed. Now draw leaves and stem of flower. Color it. Draw leaves and then make several circles for making grapes. Color them purple and these virtual grapes are ready too. Write the number 2 and close it like this on a white sheet. Now make little lines at the edges of this carrot. Color the favorite dish of bunny. Draw face of the butterfly first. Now draw this and after that you have to draw the feathers of butterfly. Add little wings inside again for giving it a wholesome look and don't forget to color it. Draw small circle and make face of the kitten. After that with black marker draw this on it and your drawing is ready. Write the number 2 and make a duck out of this. Yes, a duck. You can simply follow these steps as shown in the video and make 2 layers too. Follow these steps for making this. Draw legs and tail of a donkey. He is ready just within these few steps. Thanks for watching this video.